What's the difference between a builder's clean and an after renovation clean?
This is one of the most common and important questions we're asked because it explains why many clients call us after being disappointed by the builder's clean. Here's the breakdown. A builder's clean, usually done by trades or bulk cleaners, focuses on removing visible debris, sweeping floors, and tidying up. Is not detailed, often skips inside cupboards, vents, high areas, or adhesives. Prepares a space for handover, but not for living. A professional after renovation clean, like ours, is a deep, detailed clean performed by trained specialists. Removes dust, paint, grout, haze, glue, and builder residue. Covers all surfaces, top to bottom, including inside drawers, tracks, vents, skirtings, light fittings, and appliances. Makes the home truly move-in, ready, safe, and livable. If you want a home that's spotless, hygienic, and comfortable, not just clean looking, you need an expert post-reno clean, not just a builder's sweep.